subscribe for more videos. 7 small and simple habits for a happy marriage. Number 1. Greet your partner lovingly in the morning. When you first see your spouse, instead of having a negative or even neutral interaction, greet them with a positive statement. It could be anything from "I am glad to wake up beside you" to "I am so happy to be married to you." The key is to be positive and loving. Number 2. Send a sweet text. Use modern day technology to stay connected throughout the day by sending your spouse playful, flirtatious, or sweet text. Write anything from "I miss you," I can't wait to see you tonight." Number 3. Reunite with a hug. Often people will reunite and it's unconsciously thoughtless. For instance, partners might focus more on checking the mail or criticizing, such as "Why did not you cook dinner?" or "Why did not you take out the trash?" Instead, anytime reunite with your partner, have an intentional hug that lasts 20 seconds. This is actually longer than the average hug, and it's long enough for oxytocin, the bonding hormone, to be released. Number 4. Touch your partner at mealtime. When you are eating dinner together, make it a point to touch your partner. You might touch their hand or arm, or your legs might touch. Number 5. Compliment your partner at the end of the day. Many marriages suffer from chronic underappreciation. Partners don't feel appreciated and they don't show their appreciation. The relationship becomes clouded by a sense of lack and taking each other for granted. She suggested couples and end the day by thanking each other for one small act they did that day. It could be anything from "Thanks for picking up the dry cleaning" to "Thanks for making dinner" or "Thanks for hanging out with my family." Number 6. Express your needs from a place of vulnerability. Often people will criticize as a way of describing their needs, so instead of a request, it comes out as an attack. For instance, if you are annoyed that your spouse is on the computer, you might say, "You are always on the computer." Instead, try, "I would like to spend some time with you. Could you spend some time with me?" This invites a dialogue between partners. Number 4. Feel each other breathe. This might sound like a strange practice, but it's a powerful way to enhance your intimacy. Put your hands on each other's chest or belly and feel your partner's breathing. Sync breathes together for 1 minute. Some couples also look into each other's eyes. Some days you probably would not feel like showing appreciation or being affectionate. You might be in a miserable mood or downright exhausted, but try it anyway. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.